In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through QuickBooks efficiently using Intuit's platform, allowing you to manage your business's finances with confidence. Let's dive right in and explore each step carefully. Firstly, open your web browser and head over to the QuickBooks homepage. You can do this by typing in the URL qbo.intuit.com and pressing enter. QuickBooks Online is a robust tool designed to streamline your business's financial tasks, so ensuring you're on the right page is crucial. Once you have the QuickBooks homepage loaded, you're ready to begin exploring its features. Next, upon reaching the homepage, you'll want to locate the menu option. This menu is your gateway to navigating through all the different sections that QuickBooks offers. Clicking this will open up a list of options that will allow you to explore various areas like reports, expenses, and sales. It's designed to make your access to different financial tools seamless, so feel free to navigate around to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once you've got the menu open, your next destination is the Transactions section. Transactions are at the heart of financial management. This section will give you an overview of all financial activities associated with your business. By clicking on Transactions, you can dive deep into your sales, expenses, and banking transactions. This is an invaluable feature for tracking the ebb and flow of your cash and monitoring financial health at a glance. The final step brings us to generating reports. Once you're in the Transactions section, locate the option labeled Run Report. QuickBooks is renowned for its robust reporting capabilities, which are vital for understanding your business's performance over time. The Run Report function will allow you to view and generate custom reports, giving you insights into specific financial aspects such as profit and loss, balance sheets, cash flow, and much more. Generating these reports can assist you in making informed financial decisions, preparing tax returns, or simply getting a clear picture of how well your business is doing. And there you have it. By following these easy steps, going to the QuickBooks homepage, navigating the menu, clicking on Transactions, and running reports, you are well on your way to mastering QuickBooks. This knowledge will empower you to keep your business finances in check and gain insights that are crucial for growth and success. As you become more comfortable, continue to explore other features QuickBooks offers to further enhance your efficiency and accuracy in handling your business's financial matters. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Happy bookkeeping!